list of Rhode Island municipalities on WPRI.com that are handing out free COVID tests continues to grow. Dozens more have announced their plans or already held distribution events, including right here in Providence. 12 News reporter Matt Paddock joins us now live from the West End Recreation Center, where they handed out tests today. Matt?
Yeah, Shannon, the foot traffic here has been nonstop since these doors behind me at the West End Rec Center opened at 4 o'clock. And I was able to speak with somebody from Providence Emergency Management who tells me that they unloaded over 4,000 testing kits as people started waiting in lines out here just before 3:30. Providence Emergency Management arriving here just after 3 o'clock, unloading thousands of COVID rapid test kits for the people of Providence.
I just want to be safe like everyone else and be in a number of being part of the safety.
Over the past few weeks, at-home rapid COVID tests have been hard to get a hold of.
First come, first serve is what I'm told. So if we get here, get out, I won't be involved with the crowd of this COVID situation going on.
That demand has been high as supply has been low. But today, people here in Providence are getting a chance to grab a kit free of charge.
Well, when I get my hands on it, I'll let you know. It's so hard to come by, so I'm hoping that, I can get that and bring a little more safety to my family and friends.
Meryl Lorza here at the West End Rec Center today, helping distribute those tests to one of the hardest hit areas in Providence.
On my team, they were working overtime. I've been in touch with the governor. We've been in touch with the state, trying to coordinate the arrival, the distribution, every part of it. And every community is just getting them out to their residents as quickly as possible. So that's why we wanted to do it today, and I wanted to be here to just lend a hand.
Now, for those looking to get a test kit, all you need is proof of residency. Things like your license, Providence municipal ID, or a current utility bill. And I spoke with one individual here at the West End Rec Center who says they're going to continue distributing kits until they run out, which he doesn't expect to be any later than 6. We're reporting live in Providence, Matt Paddock, 12 News.
An update now. The Rhode Island Department of Health reports another 2,300 new cases of COVID and unfortunately the deaths of another 16 people.
Hospitalizations are still above 500, but are lower than the number reported yesterday. At today's White House COVID briefing, CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says they're seeing an optimistic trend in case numbers.
We are starting to see steep declines in areas that were first peaking, so areas of the Northeast, New York, Rhode Island, Connecticut are really starting to come down.
Also today, a FEMA medical team arrived at Rhode Island Hospital to support patient care and maximize bed capacity.
While they arrived in fatigues, we're told patients won't know the difference between team members and regular hospital staff. Meantime, more cities and towns are handing out free at-home COVID tests to residents, though each place has different rules. 12
News reporter Matt Paddock is live in Providence, where tests are being handed out this evening. Matt?
Yeah, Mike, I spoke with one employee over at the Providence Emergency Management Team, and they said they unloaded over 4,000 testing kits here to West End Recreation Center. And whether it was here in Providence or in Lincoln, where I was earlier today, all you needed to receive one of those kits is proof of where you lived. Across the country and here in Rhode Island, the demand is high for at-home COVID testing kits.
On the way here, I was wondering how long I'd have to wait.
The issue is the supply's been low.
Hard to come by. You go to the store, CVS, or Walgreens, can't find them sometimes. So I'm glad I got one.
On Thursday, it was long lines as car after car sat and waited for one of the over 2,000 kits handed out in East Providence.
Whatever line there is, you have to have many lines wherever you go in life. So a line to save your life or others is not very long.
Anita Koya says she was happy with just how smooth things went at Lincoln's distribution.
And it was very quick and very courteous and a wonderful experience.
They can test. They can feel a little safer.
Lois Durkin, director of the Lincoln Senior Center, says these tests have been a blessing for their seniors.
So much for our people and for all seniors, because they're all, like I said, they're worried. And this is something that you can't find all the time.
In Lincoln, testing kits were limited to 1 per person with proof of residency and available at the Senior Center and Public Library while supplies last. Now, we don't have the numbers on how many of those testing kits were handed out here today, but we did see a truck leaving with a few leftover boxes. But reporting live in Providence, Matt Paddock, 12 News.